Hello. Welcome to Listen to English AR. 1. Listen to the story without translation. 2. Listen to the story again with the translation turned on. 3. Answer some questions. Hi, I'm Melly's friend. My name is Lena and I am a lawyer. Today, I will share my day with you. In the morning, I wake up early. I drink coffee and eat a small breakfast. I put on my black jacket and white shirt. I take my laptop, phone, and important papers. Then I go to the office. At the office, I sit at my desk. There are many files and documents. I read, write, and type on my computer. Sometimes I make phone calls. Sometimes I meet clients. A client is a person who needs help. Today, I have a meeting in the courtroom. The judge listens. I speak for my client. I use my notes and papers. I feel nervous, but I am ready. I explain the problem and I try to help.
Order in the court!
After the meeting, I go back to the office. I write emails. I read more documents. I drink more coffee. In the evening, I close my laptop and leave the office. Then I drive home. The streets are busy and I feel tired. At home, I eat dinner and watch a new vlog of my friend Melly. After that, I relax and read a book. My favorite genre is mystery because I like exciting stories. My day is long and busy, but I enjoy helping people and being a lawyer. Now it's time for bed. I am tired, so I close my eyes and sleep. Tomorrow is a new day full of new opportunities. Do you have a busy day like me or a quiet one? What is your daily routine? Don't forget to rewatch the video with subtitles turned on to improve your understanding and language skills.
Now we will listen to 3 simple questions to check your understanding of the story, and then we will review some vocabulary. Try to answer these questions in the comments. 1. What things does Lena take to the office? 2. How does Lena feel in court? 3. What kind of books does she like? 4. Do you wake up early or late?
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Put on. Put on. Put on. Read.
Read. Read.
Write. Write. Write.
Make phone calls. Make phone calls. Make phone calls. Help. 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 Explain. Explain. Explain.
Drive. Drive. Drive.
Relax. 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 Sleep. 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 Lawyer. Lawyer. Lawyer.
Judge. Judge. Judge.
Courtroom.
Courtroom. Courtroom. Meet. Meet. Meet.
Client.
Client.
Client. Files. 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 Papers. 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 Laptop. 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 Emails. 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 Type on the computer. Type on the computer. Nervous. 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 Tired.
Tired. Tired. Busy. Busy.
Busy. In the morning. In the morning. In the morning. In the evening. In the evening. In the evening.
Today. Today. Today.
Tomorrow.
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 Sometimes.
Sometimes. Sometimes.
now, now, now. Enjoy,
enjoy, enjoy,
watch, watch, watch. Eat, eat, eat. Drink, drink, drink.
Great job, everyone! You've learned some useful vocabulary today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.